Sad.
Oh, lovely on some of the best arms.
I'm not coming in here to like have fun. I'm coming in here to murder you, bro. I'm gonna bend you over, Salt Poppy, and no one will stop me. You understand me? I'm the underdog, bro. You don't even know what you stepped into, bro. You don't even know.
You think you're better than boxing than me? Bastard, shut up! I'm going to send your Filipino butt to China. Bastard, shut up!
What's up mga bossing, and welcome back again sa aking munting channel. Hindi lamang sa pagiging bato-bato ang pangangatawan ang sukatan sa pagiging isang malakas na boksingero sa ibabaw ng lona para sigurado kang madudurog ang kalaban na malambot o chubby ang katawan kung titignan. Alam nyo ba mga bossing na hindi lamang sikat sa pagiging content creator si Kabayan, hindi magaling din itong makipaglaban sa ibabaw ng lona. Hindi man ganun kaseryoso ang pagtitraining nito kagaya ng isang professional boxer, pero makikita pa din natin na merong itong tinatagong galing at lakas ang tinaguriang Salt Poppy ng Pinas. Nakilala ito sa kanyang pagiging TikToker noon na merong 5.2 million followers at sa kanyang YouTube channel naman ay merong itong 518,000 subscribers. Isang undefeated sa pagiging chubby man itong si Salt Poppy ay pinagmukha nga nito na hindi sa pagiging bato-bato ng katawan ang pagboboxing para may panalo ang laban. Dapat meron kang skills at talent kung saan na-prove nga ni Salt Poppy sa kanyang mga boxing match. Nathaniel Bustamante alias Salt Poppy kung saan naninirahan ito sa London, United Kingdom. Pero ipinanganak naman ito sa Pilipinas at marunong din itong magtagalog. At sa Pinas nga naman itong natutong magboxing. Sa katunayan nga mga idol ay bata pa lang ito, paborito na nitong boxer si Manny Pacquiao. Lumalaban nga ito si Salt Poppy sa street fight noon for making content bago nito pinasok ang pro. Pero dahil nga sa pagiging chubby nito ni Salt Poppy ay marami ang nagdududa sa kanyang kakayahan, kaya bawat nakakalaban nito ay tinatrash talk nga ito lalong lalo na dahil iba ang lahi ng kanyang makakalaban. March 5, 2022, dito unang nakilala itong si Salt Poppy matapos mapalaban ito sa isang English YouTuber na si Halang. Bago ang laban ay may sinabi nga ito sa kanyang kalaban na isang pagmamaliit sa Pinoy.
Boxing than me? Bastard, shut up! I'm going to send your Filipino butt to China.
Pero sa araw ng kanilang laban ay lahat nga ng sinabi nitong si Halalham ay kanyang kinain dahil sa kanilang 3 rounds bouts ay nabugbog ito ng ating Kabayan.
Live in the UK. We're seeing a southpaw and an orthodox fighter which normally can lead to head clashes and oh, clean left from Salt Poppy.
Halal was rocked there. You were saying that he looked so composed. That was the perfect proof of that. That counter punch. Look at this.
Oh, absolutely. He's closing in. We're seeing almost, as you can see here, he's taking the fact that Ham's rushing in and you're not as, you don't get as exhausted because you're choosing the moves. And here we go. He's put a few shots together there. Nice left hand there. But Halal is returning and he has found that fury. He's just getting counted in between.
Well, this is what we said earlier, guys.
No, he's definitely been locked in.
Well, we're going to get the official announcement, and you can see what that means to Salt Poppy after a very entertaining preliminary opening back, and he's still dancing, he's still chilled.
Red corner, Salt Poppy!
Dito unang nakilala itong si Salt Poppy sa larangan ng boxing at marami nga ang namangha sa kanyang ipinakitang laban kung saan tinapos nito ang kanyang kapwa matabang YouTuber. Pero sa sunod nitong laban ay hindi na mataba kundi isang maskuladong Canadian content creator ang kanyang makakalaban. At ganun pa rin mga idol, bago ang laban ay masasakit na salita pa rin ang binibitawan nito sa ating bidang si Salt Poppy. Sa laban ngang ito ay nagbawas ng timbang itong si Salt Poppy para maikasa ang labang ito. Kung saan mga bossing hindi na nga ito exhibition na laban.
No one will stop me. You understand me? I'm the underdog, bro. You don't even know what you stepped into, bro. You don't even know. I'm not coming in here to like have fun. I'm coming in here to murder you, bro. And that's what I'm gonna do, bro.
Di man napabagsak ni Salt Papi ang kanyang unang matabang na kalaban, pero dito ay talagang binagyo nito ang kanyang maangas na kalaban at tinapos niya ito sa loob lamang ng round 1.
Expect a lot of showboating from Salt Papi.
Salt Papi has some of the best hands. Salt Papi has some of the best hands.
The real deal.
Salt Papi making a statement with that one.
They've waved it off. The Philippines celebrate. One.
This man was talking about a fight with KSI earlier in the week.
Oh, that was that left hand. The left hand lights out.
It was two left hands. He rocked him with the first and then shut the lights out with the second.
Hello, TikTok.
Isa namang arrogant na content creator ang nawasak sa lakas ni Salt Papi at lahat ng kanyang sinabi ay kanyang kinain. Salt Papi that time was being recognized for that win at kumalat sa iba't ibang platforms ang kasikatan ng ating bida. Makaraan ng ilang buwan mga bossing ay meron naman itong malahiganting katunggali sa ibabaw ng lona. Isang American MMA fighter na si Josh Brockney at meron itong MMA record na 12 fight at sa boxing naman ay meron itong 2 wins at 1 knockout. Bago nito makalaban itong si Salt Papi, matangkad at bato-bato ang katawan nito. Kumpara kay Salt Papi na chubby at maliit pa ito, kaya maraming mga Pinoy nagsasabi na di kakayanin ni kabayan ang kanyang makakalaban dahil mas lamang ito sa experience. At sa pangangatawan, pero muling ang ginulat ni Salt Papi ang entablado kung saan isang malaking knockout win ang nagawa nito sa loob lamang ng round 2.
People see what I want you to see. Tonight he can't hide a single thing.
I can't lie, I love the confidence of Salt Papi, man. He is a superstar.
Not an ounce of fat on the body of Bruckner.
Oh, and he's talking to him here.
Tonight, to be honest.
You know, maybe Bruckner should be more aggressive. Should he be trying to outbox Salt Papi?
No respect right now from Salt Papi. A little bit. Instead of cutting off the ring, he's going to walk on the one.
Salt Papi looks like he might be trying to lure him into a trap.
You're seeing him make him miss,
And then he's going to make him pace very soon.
Left hand go. But Josh doing a good job of circling away from it. Papi told him he was too slow, then 8-1 to the body.
Papi caught him, it looked like with a right hook on the way in.
Oh, man.
Josh with these shots, he has got some big time power there. Josh staying composed, but that's too much room. Josh has got to be more creative when he's coming into range here. He's
Bruckner
just going with the jab.
Sorry, Wade, but Bruckner just being way too stiff.
That's all he needs.
Shot.
It allows him to...
This is where Josh should be excelling. He's the longer fighter, should be touching Papi from this distance.
What a shot!
Man!
What a shot!
He may not get up.
Clean.
He's struggling here.
He's over. It's all over.